Hello students, today I will start the first chapter of class 12th and the chapter's name is The Story of the First Cities, Harappan Archaeology. As you know that the Harappan civilization or the Indus Valley civilization of India was the setting for one of the world's earliest urban societies. Although the ancient script of the culture has not been deciphered, archaeological research is gradually exposing the unique character of this society. And the technology by which this civilization is now has been totally recognized and the work is continuing. This civilization is the oldest living civilization in the world and has an amazing record of the progress spread over almost 5,000 years. Besides Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the other important urban centers of this civilization were Kotdiji, Lothal, Kalibangan, Rakhigadi and Dhaulavira. The related places which are now in the modern time are called by different names in India as well as in Pakistan. Now we will discuss about the story of the discovery of Harappan civilization. The story of discovery of Harappa, which lay buried for many cultures and is interesting. When in 1856 the British were building the Lahore to Multan railway line, they needed blast and they found in the form of finely packed bricks of Harappa. It was only in 1872 that notice was taken of the mounds which stood 14 to 18 meters above the level of fields. In 1875, the report of Alexander Cunningham on the Harappan seal was given, and then this was recognized that there may be a very old civilization. And it was in 1920 and 1921 when Rakhal Das Banerjee, in the course of the excavation work on a Buddhist stupa and stood at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, that is now in Pakistan, discovered the bricks of an unknown type which led to the identification of this ancient civilization in Indian history. About the same time, Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahni discovered similar remains at Harappa in Montgomery district, now called the Sahiwal in Pakistan. Later on, Sir John Marshall, the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, personally took up this work and announced in 1924 that about 5,000 years ago, a rich and highly developed civilization flourished in the valley of Indus. It goes to the credit of Sir John Marshall that the site was preserved in 1924-25. Marshall excavated along regular horizontal units measured uniformly throughout the mound, ignoring the stratigraphy of the site. This means that all the artifacts recovered from the same unit were grouped together, even if they were recovered at different strategic layers. As a result, much useful information about the context of these find was indubitably lost. Since the 1980s, the international interest in the Harappan archaeology has been increasing. Specialists from many countries have been joined working at both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They are using modern techniques of research, including surface exploration, to recover traces of clay, stone, metal, plant, and animal remains, as well as to minutely analyze every scrap of every available evidence. It is hoped that these explorations will yield good result in the future. The traces of the Indus Valley civilization are found in the ruins of Mohenjo-daro, Amri, Koddizi, and way up in the plains of Punjab near the city of Montgomery, that is called Sahiwal, and the remains of Harappa.